outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me at 5. I'll be on 9, I'll be on all day. I'll be on all day. Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me at 5. I'll be on 9, I'll be on all day. I'll be on all day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's the type of shit that you've been waiting all year for. I'm back in town for a minute, if you with it. Got a lot of time, I just need somewhere to spend it. I just press a button and the top go missing. I kept the slips so you know it's not winning. Yeah, oh, what you wanna do? Worry about your friends, they saw you this afternoon. I've been reading your mind. No fear, but you gotta let me know. I'm all ears and I got a lot of room. My way, if you wanna take it there, I'm on my way. Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, and you can meet me at 5. I'll be on 9, I'll be on all day. I'll be on all day. Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, and you can meet me at 5. I'll be on 9, I'll be on all day. I'll be on all day. Drop top the Porsche, put that bitch's sport out here in the field, oh yeah. I'm already, yeah. Come outside looking like a snack. Hurry up, get in, hell yeah. Come with me on this mission. Riding down the coast, got one up for sure. You said play a lead, I said pass the weed. Pull up to the club bar, said you never been before. Put you in provocateur, girl, I made you me a more. You said you left your ex, that dude was always gas. You said before me you ain't never been this happy. You took a L with him and went in ever since. You in my phone, I'm on my way, I cancel plans. I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, and you can meet me at 5. I'll be on 9, I'll be on all day. I'll be on all day. Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, and you can meet me at 5. I'll be on 9, I'll be on all day. I'll be on all day.
You're trying to make a move. Tonight I got the time, tell me what you wanna do. Call up squad if you wanna rendezvous. They gon' push up on their own, I only got room for 2. Front of jigs on the set, it's a Porsche, not a Vic. I confess, I'm a flex, till they show some respect. Get away so we can make sense of your life. You wasn't pop, but I just put your shit in drive. Now, coast, like there's no tomorrow. Moving too fast, I'm hoping to drive slow. I don't want you to wonder where I go. Can learn a lot from this, and it's something that I know.
Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, and you can meet me at 5. I'll be on 9, I'll be on all day. I'll be on all day. Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, and you can meet me at 5. I'll be on 9, I'll be on all day. I'll be on all day.
Hello traders, welcome to episode 275 and also Happy New Year. Thanks for being here because you could be doing anything. And my God, we're recovering from last night for sure. That the drink troll came in like a severe thunderstorm and my God, man, he wrecked us. Okay, so Bitcoin, yeah, we broke down. All right, we had the angle of the trend line like this before. Had a little false breakout. It seems to pump right back into the pattern. So just made the adjustments. No problem. No problem. Still a diamond. Still very pretty of a pattern. So let's just say, for instance, if we were to break to the upside and it was actually to be some sort of diamond reversal, measure move of the pattern is up. It's like 4,200. And again, if we just make a lower high than our previous high and we can't break this downslope resistance, if we break out bearishly, the measure move of the pattern is down at like 3,300. So that's near the 786 retrace from a low to high. So that's really it. I mean, not much has changed. Bitcoin for the past week now has just been inside of a consolidation pattern, all right, and just in the form of a diamond, not a triangle, not a wedge. It's a diamond. So diamonds you could treat kind of as symmetrical triangles in a way, where right part of it is a symmetrical triangle, right? So just a diamond. Waiting to see which way we go because we have a pretty neutral pattern going on, all right? Impulse down, though, would give you some reason to believe it would be bearish, okay? And maybe the fact that we broke the upside, we're not really doing anything that special, are we? We're still inside the pattern. All right, whatever, man. Rest of the market, I guess we could look, right? Why not, dude? Why not? Okay, so what I got going on is just Ripple, man. What do you want to call that? Is it some sort of head and shoulders? Kind of, right? The left shoulder, head, right shoulder, kind of complex, okay? Where you've got multiple different little shoulders, all right? And kind of a slanted neckline that is down sloping. Bukowski sees these all the time, all right? So, but a neckline, or yeah, the neckline would be way down here, right? The bottom of it anyway, okay? So that's all you can really look at, on Ripple, unless you wanted to say this was some sort of diamond. I don't really see how we could plot any kind of a real diamond here. Okay, so whatever, man, just kind of going sideways, making lower highs than our highest high, which was a 618 retrace. What do you want, man? What do you want? All right, we'll look at that more in a few minutes. Top right of your screen is Litecoin. Harder to see just because, amen, it's a pattern. It's a pattern tool. I am unable to change the transparency of this shade of orange or whatever. So anyway, right shoulder, okay, we hit that buy zone, that zone of the left shoulder. You want to see matching shoulders, and we broke to the upside. It was tremendous. Have broken down since then. It seems as though we're trying to rally a little bit, not making higher highs than our previous highs yet. Back from December 28th and 9th. Right. Neckline's way up here at like $37, right? Top left is Ethereum, holding up pretty well. Seems like it's some sort of equidistant channel. Okay, and just holding between the 25 and the 50%, right? The the heart line and the 25% trend line of the equidistant channel, and then you've got XLM that broke out of this nice little upsloping channel, and it's just kind of been going sideways ever since, right? Could one consider that a double bottom? I mean, maybe, yeah. Higher low than your previous low, yeah. And it's got the some small hint of ascending triangle action a little bit, right, where it's a slightly higher low with the same high, right, where we hit December 25th, we hit the same high December 28th, right? Possibly two reaction highs and two reaction lows. All right, whatever. So that's it, man. We're kind of across the markets. Not too much has changed during the holiday season. Okay, that's it, man. That's it. Trying to watch the Sugar Bowl, trying to watch Georgia get absolutely destroyed, okay, because they look like crap. What's up, Abel Rodriguez was first. Rodolfo, what's up, man? Ogsd, Jules Santana, man. What's up, Mateo? Bill Centura, Sid Tentacle. Holy crap. What's up, Dan Styles, man? And Anthony Rosano, what's up, dude? You hope you can be unlocked from Discord. Yeah, you might need to talk to Rapper about that. I'm sure, it could be figured out if, you talk to him. So, we'll see, man. All right. Of course, dropped the ball. Wow, really? What's up, Dave Jones? Tal. Hello, MK, man. What's up, dude? Good is, man. Hope you and your loved ones had a great New Year's, man. Okay. What's up, Nicholas Brabant, 1G Project, JD, Kangs or not? I mean, it depends, man. Are we going to, when are we going to break out of this, right? Because we're very close to the end of it. There's not much more room we can go. All right. Well, so Moss. So about Tom Crypto Newbie, VG, Pat McLaughlin, Aramis, Mad Carl. Doing well, man. Just a little, you know, just a little out of it, I guess, today after such an extreme night last night. All right. I know a lot of people are feeling the same way. Hey, P. Miller, man. Mac Pants Anonymous. Oh, man. Well, there you go, man. That's on y'all. There's not much I can really do about it. Like, I don't... Just because the name of the Discord's my name doesn't mean like I'm the only person that that runs it, and that you know, I delegate to people to make decisions on what they think is right for the community. So that's about it, man. Wow, great job, Georgia. Another 4th down. What's up, Loot Patient? Coach K, Ultra Instinct Jesus, man. What's up, dude? Just make some green in 2019 Zatchery. That's it, dude. HG's still drunk. Okay, so what's up about Rick Schmitz? What's up, Coinman? That's it, Coinman. S Coinman. Dude, my voice is like screwed. What's up about Patrick Kane? Whew, holy crap. Yeah, y'all, if it is the first of the month, right? First of the month, I'm only going to talk about it, you know, our Patreon. Right, we got trade setups, education videos, lots of education when you join. So you can like review it all, the lessons I do on stream, and stuff from Drist. You know, and really you get the Discord exclusivity. All right, you can get in contact with me whenever. So yeah, but really at the end of the day, those are the amenities of the Patreon. But it's really to help support me, so I can keep coming back every day, providing you content. Right, every freaking day, just about. Okay, so thanks. Ripple looks like it's giving us the finger. Pretty much, man. Right. Yep. That it does. John Legend. Hey, Rimlog, man. What's up, dude? What's up, Rimlog, man? Robin Gomez, hello. Greg Morgan, you resubbed. Dude, awesome, man. Oh, yeah, dude. Rimlog, dude. The Texas Longhorns came to play, and Georgia did not. And dude, clearly, there's no way. I mean, if Georgia wins, it's going to be a miracle. It'll be a Sugar Bowl miracle. Okay. Arizona Luke says, Happy New Year's all. Heard someone was talking. Yes, last night that Washington was going to beat the Ohio State Buckeyes today. Oops, scoreboard. Hey, Arizona Luke, man, someone asked me, and I told you my pick, and that was Ohio State. So, but not going well for me because I picked Georgia to win the Sugar Bowl, and should have known, right? It's like a death trap for any SEC team. Okay, it's a death trap. Yep. I mean, Georgia... The team that played Alabama versus the team now, that they're of course, right? They're of course terrible compared to that.
Is that a joint?
Happy New Year, man. Are we gonna be kings on LTC, man?
Are we gonna be kings on Litecoin? I mean, we got right around that entry target, right? We've busted the upside since then. So what we got as low as like 27.25, and now we're at 31.56. I don't know, man. I don't know if we can make higher highs or not. We should, but you better hope for Bitcoin to lack volatility so Litecoin can continue floating on up to do its thing. I mean, the first target where one should at least take profit or move a stop loss up would be around 37 bucks. That's the neckline of the potential inverse head and shoulders, right? So either way, you're not at a minimum target yet, okay, to take profit or move a stop up. So anyway, there's no telling it. You just gotta let you don't know. You know patterns. You know how the psychology of them work. Okay, it's a discernible pattern. So one would take a shot and see if it played out. Okay, so, but yeah, we can look at Litecoin after like Ethereum or whatever. No problem on the big screen. No problem, man. Roberto Santiago, man. Thanks for the 420. Happy New Year. My God, man. I feel like Texas. Time possession is insane. Good God. What's up, Dan Crow? Chaz Garcia, man. Hope you have a wonderful year as well. Okay. Yeah, dude, Kentucky looked awesome, Mr. Spooner, man. Yeah, that was awesome. Representing the SEC right there, okay. Stocks looking like they're going to correct tomorrow. Rimlog, which way, dude? Hey, Peter Powell Morgan. Essex Hammer, come on, England. Gosh dang, you're tired, Christopher Harris. Yeah, man, me too. I am tired too. I don't know how long the stream will be tonight. Okay, I've just been trying to recalibrate today. It's been tough, man. I'm like just trying to shake it, and I cannot. All right. You're just here for the overlays, local dinosaur, man. All right, well, we got more coming. All right, just oh, Dow futures were up triple and now down triple digits. What, MK, man? What in the world are they doing? Holy crap! It's insane. Wake up, Rumlog, man. It's first of the month. Yeah, dude. Wake up.
Is that a joint?
Good evening, Mitch. Head pounding. Could you take a look at Strat/BTC, please? Come on, England.
Sure, man. Sure. We'll look at Strat. We'll look at Stratosphere coin or whatever. Cool, dude. Yeah, thanks for the 420, man. Hope you're having a good year, dude. Thanks, man. Dow futures down 246 points. Thank God. Is calling the live plays of the Georgia game a violation of YouTube privacy? Privacy? Probably policy. So, yeah, probably. We're probably screwed, dude. Alright, probably screwed. That's okay, dude. Hey, Randy Schulz. Happy New Year. Oh, you think the troll was talking S? All good. That's right, dude. Winning wolves, everything. What? Wolves? Oh my god, man. They went for it on fourth down. Georgia's a joke, man. What a joke. Hey, there's Matthew McConaughey. Holy crap, dude. Okay, so anyway. What is it? Looks like futures will probably show being up. The market will take don't. Yeah, it was a crazy, man. The Qs, they gapped up on no volume, right? And so it's just like, hey man, chances are we're gonna have to build a gap. Boom, build a gap. Easy little day trade. All right. Did I drive back in a new Tesla? No, one man army. I did not. Okay, because Seth he hates Tesla. All right. So anyway, XRP to USD. Okay, here it is, man. Right. I mean, how do you even look at this pattern? It's just you had one huge spot at the upside. You've had failed rallies. You've been unable to break them. Right. It just no real discernible pattern that I see for the most part. Okay. Besides the fact that you might have a left shoulder head, right shoulder. Okay. With a neckline that is down sloping. Like this is the best that I could see. Right. Like left shoulder, right head, and then just like right shoulder. Real easy, right? So yeah, downsloping necklines exist, right? So but it's way down here, right? It would be like 32.18 cents if we were to ever reach it. Okay, so let's see if we can break the upside. You got to break 39 cents. You can clearly see we can't break that overhead resistance right here. Okay, overhead resistance right at 39.8 cents, right around 40 cents. So good luck breaking that, man. You can break that, completely invalidate the pattern, but until then, man, looks like you've got a potential slanted downsloping head and shoulders pattern. All right. Okay, sweet, man. Getting bullish convergence, you know, the higher low than your previous low. Yeah, bullish convergence with the lower levels of negative momentum. RSI doing about the same, right? Higher levels of relative strength with higher lows. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, man, I think you probably broke out of something. Like if there was like an anchor point like 1 and 2, you'd broken it. Okay, great, man. Great on no volume. Whatever. So that's about it, dude. That's about it. Let's go to Ethereum. Still holding intact pretty well. Okay. All right. So here we are. All right, we got anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 on the top with heartline, respect, resistance, support, resistance, resistance. Then the 25% support, support. Okay. That's it, Mitch. Up sloping channel. Jules, man.
ICX/USDT Binance, please.
Sure, man. Thanks, Jules, dude, for the 1212. Do I do this, man? Thanks, dude. Awesome. All right, on the list. Icon, dude. That thing's a dumpster fire. I love how we held support here. I love that, man. And now we're just rallying again, but here you go, right? Just like Ripple had some overhead resistance, so does Ethereum. Okay. I mean, that's it. I think we're kind of breaking it, but there's so many little wicks right here. It's just this sell zone you just can't break, man. So it just seems like a huge impulse up, then you have just sideways consolidation. It's not even really down slow. I mean, I guess you kind of have a lower low than your previous low, but it's just kind of like a rectangle, right? Kind of just like, let me show you real quick how one like on a shorter time scale could observe this or interpret this. All right, simple enough. I mean, you just have just kind of like this, man. Okay, so you're just range bound between $128.73 and $140.82. Okay, so just the lows, the highs. Okay, so what do you say, man? Okay, if that's the case, if we are kind of range bound right now, when you have a higher risk up here of going long, wouldn't one? Yes, because this is the third time you're failing. Fourth time, really. All right, fifth time, because you got the wick up here, this wick, and then you got another wick, and then another wick, right? So you just keep continuously failing, rejecting to break to higher prices from here. Okay, what is something that's pretty important to know? Hey man, this is a lower high than your previous high. That sucks. Lower highs always suck. All right, so we'll see if we can break it, man. We'll set up an alert. Probably a big deal for Ethereum if we can break 141, right? 142 or 141.50, I guess. All right, so I got the alert set up. Sweet, man. Okay, yep, more bullish convergence on both oscillators, the low, the higher low, the lower levels, negative momentum, and higher levels of relative strength. Okay, that's just business as usual, right? That's okay. That's like what you want to see if you want to make higher prices. That kind of stuff right there. All right, see if the demand's there though. That's another big thing, and that's why we don't act like we know what's going to happen, but we sure know where the heck we might run to, or we might have an idea of where we're running to. Oh, there you go, man. Hey, look, Texas, man, getting a first and goal on the one. Wow, dude, Georgia's trash, dude. I'm not even watching this crap anymore, man. Whatever, dude. Give me a break. Like, they don't deserve my attention. Okay, Georgia. Okay, God. Anyway. ETH mining fork. What is that, man? What? Okay. Go to Litecoin. Or Roberto. Woolly Kangs on Litecoin. Alright, man. We don't act like we know, but we say this is the minimum target up here. Alright, the entry was just around this area. Okay, but anyway, as soon as we hit this one horizontal line support, it was just like we bounced like crazy. What else do we hit? Low to high? Okay. The low to high, we hit a 618, 27.75. Pretty much perfectly, a little bit below it, but right there, that is exactly where we retraced, and that is the golden retrace. Come on, man, what do you even want anymore? Okay, so it looks pretty nice, man. Pretty nice potential pattern. I mean, the right shoulder has played out, right? We were like up here, and we even drew it, right? We had it plotted. Okay, man, remember this? The line going up, like, dude, that's exactly what we did. All right, so. See if we can keep climbing, get your big resistance. I mean, you're kind of at one right now at 32, but another big one's going to be 32.59, 33.50. Okay, wicks, candle closes, all right, just overhead resistance. We can break that, man. Might have a nice little run up, and again, 37 bucks is around that first target for profit taking or moving a stop level. Okay, that's it. Hey, Miss Sabi, man.
Happy New Year. Sorry I missed you in downtown. We'll catch you on your next badass New Year's Eve party last night. Wishing you and the princess a happy 2019. Love you guys. So Big Kang's doing things in 2019.
Big Kang's doing things 2019. Thanks, Mr. Sabine, dude, for the 333. Yeah, dude. Hey, actually, I don't know. I think you posted something on a video recently. Might want to check that, delete it or something, okay? Because you know, people are nuts out there. So thanks, man. A comment on a static stream. It was a stream, then it became static. So see what you were posting and just maybe check that out. Thanks, man. Much love. Just looking out for you. We love you too, man. Okay. So that's it, dude. That's Litecoin. First minimum target's up here. Okay. And if we broke out to the upside, man, look, dude. Just zooming out so you can see, dude. And it's all potential, right? It's all potential till we break the neckline to the upside. potential inverse head and shoulders. I mean, dude, is it about time we begin a major retrace? Yeah, probably. There's a very good chance we could, man. We don't really know, but we sure as heck know how to identify patterns and to take low risk, high reward opportunities of those patterns, right? So other people will tell you that they know everything. Okay. Anyway, that's it, dude. So give me a second. Holy crap, man. What's going on here? Holy crap. What was I doing there? Hold on, give me a sec. Is this the double bottom? No, whatever it was, we hit it. Give me a sec. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna look at strat now. Okay. Here's strat, dude. Strat, you know how we had the downsloping channel, very good looking downsloping channel for so long. Right, we broke out of it, just kind of went sideways still, and then we broke to the upside. Broke to the upside. What do we do from a minor high to low? Hit the 88% retrace and sold off. Okay, really, I mean, I think the major swing high is up here, right? From high to low, right here, low. We hit that 382. So that makes a lot of sense. Okay, so targets though, we didn't hit 50%, did we? 5,087. That'd be another target. I mean, we know, like with fibs, from a high to low, we're looking for that moderate retrace. It's one of your most common retraces, a 38% retrace, especially in a bear market. Okay, so I mean, besides the shallow retraces, the 236, we're actually right now below the 236 on strat. So, but hey, man, making retrace, we can zoom back in and see how far we retraced. Okay. All we have to do is like just go like this. Go from your low to high. We've retraced by 50%. Right, 50% retrace. Is there any kind of I don't know, pattern going on? Man, not too much, man. Right? You got that. Hey, you gonna consider that a swing low? Hard to say, man. Hard to say if that's a swing low. I don't know if we actually have one yet. Okay, so excuse me. So there's a swing low. To swing low? Right. It's like almost all we can do, really. We don't have much else data. Okay, so. Okay, man, either way. So it's just move to the upside. Now we have down sloping consolidation. A long way to go. Okay, if it was to be interpreted this way. So if we were to set, hey, we ran to the upside, man, you could probably make a measured move, but you would be expecting a more midterm target if this was to maintain its bullish moves to hit 5,087 at some point. But dude, who cares? It's strat, man. No one cares about strat. It's an S coin. It could easily dump. Okay, 382. You hit the 382 all the time. I mean, all over this market, we've hit the 382 everywhere, and sold off and made new lower lows. Remember the fresh lows, man, of the year, just back. And our lowest low, right, was this stupid flash crash wick thing, December 6th. So not too far off the lowest low of the year. Okay. Whatever, dude. Where's this earnings? How much money does it make? All right. So if you know that, and I know it's like, oh, it's a trader's market. Yeah, it is a trader's market.
Alabama Slam 20 mile/hour winds for Monday's game. 7.2 we get no respect. 2 is going to see our nickel package 5 DBs. I hope you think you can run on us. Number 1 defense in the world. Death Valley is waiting for Mr.
No, I don't think so, man. It's okay, dude. It's okay. I think we'll be just fine. All right, because most of the time with Bama, it's like wherever our shortcomings are in a game, another aspect of our game that's incredible, whether it's coaching, special teams, turnovers, offense, defense, they will pick up slack and find a way to win. So that's proven time and time again. All right, so good luck, man, with your freshman quarterback. Good luck, dude. But hey, man, we've seen freshmen win before, haven't we? So, yeah, good luck, dude. Good luck. Alright, anyway, 2 seconds. Thanks for the 333. Dude, yeah, man. Good God, man. Oh, what a dumpster fire, dude. What a dumpster fire. Just, I mean, maybe rounding out, dude, Jules. I'm trying to scale this to make it like, you can see it on the entire screen. Okay, but, dude, what a joke. Let's see here. Let me, looks like we're right around that 1414. I remember Julie asking about this, saying, hey, we might break the other side. I'm like, well, what if we broke down first? And we literally did. We hit that 1414, and we did not quite hit the 1618. Give me a second. Give me 2 seconds. Weird. See how we can plot this. Yeah, dude, that's it. Holy crap. Dude, that's like freaking perfect. Okay. Okay, man. So, you know, had that downsloping channel for a while since it, you know, got listed on Binance. Oh my God, it's Icon, man. Sold off, broke out of the downsloping scrub channel. Really did nothing. Fell back into it. Just kind of goes sideways, right? And now you got anchor point 1 and 2 and 3, and then just 1 down here. Okay, and you can see the heart line. Respect the heart line. Respect like hardcore heart line respects this downsloping channel very well. I would think it interpreted by the market. So, anyways, figured that was gonna happen. So, yeah, man. Where are we? Look, from your low to high, we were right around the 1414. We bounced off of it and sold below it, but hitting that heart line and then just kind of going sideways, just trying to break the 14. We're literally right on the 1414. 23.6 cents. Okay, so. Do we have anything going on? I mean, down here, I mean, you got a higher low going. I mean, someone could say it's okay. So Jules, you see this right here? It's kind of like your left shoulder zone. All right, so it's okay. Everything's showing the same stuff, right? So you can point 1 to 2. So yeah, that's the case. It doesn't really look like a. I mean, here's your neckline. Okay, so. If you were to break it, but dude, almost looks like a cipher pattern too, right? Just like pick one cipher pattern. And see, we didn't hit a third. So it's not a cipher pattern because we did not hit the 382 right here on this retrace, right? From the low to the lower low that we see. So doesn't meet the criteria there, but I mean, people could argue. I don't even use that tool. I'm not even gonna worry about the tool. Okay, man. It's a scrubby head, really scrubby head. But yeah, it would just be like, hey man, all these pairs, right? All these US dollar pairs kind of looking similar. Okay, so if you were to break the neckline, measure move could put you a pretty nice price, right, man? 1,039. Let's just do it like this. Whatever, 1,023, doesn't matter. From the breakout, there you go, dude. All right, so that was to play out, right? It was. This was a measured move up here around 37.83 cents. If we get there, Jules, man. But again, this head is so ugly, man. It almost makes it not even discernible. Okay. Really. Oh, hey, Mr. Gun, man.
Rocky Mountain High Brands got their $1 million purchase order on you. Give me an opinion on RMHB. Is there a new pattern forming? Thank you. 2019 the year for RMHB. Adding to my position.
Is there a new pattern for me? Oh, we check it out, man. Thanks, Mr. Gump, man. Mr. Gump. Thank you, dude. Okay, so real quick, just to discuss, you got potentially that inverse head and shoulders, but it's a really scrubby head, so it might not even be interpreted by the market that way. Okay, but ICX, man, was just ugh. All right, it was just good, and then it wasn't, right? Just like everything in the Great FOMO, just dumpster fire shit. Okay, so all right, man. Looking at Rocky Mountain high right now. You know, the market, the macro, what do you expect, dude? It's not going to perform well if the macro is not performing well. Oh my God, man. It just so ugly. Look at this, man. All right. That price action, dude, it's almost just like terrible, dude. All right, so, you know, just anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 on the bottom, 4 on the bottom, 5, 6 on the bottom. Give me a break, dude. Perfect channel. We broke out of it, but have done nothing since we broke it, man. Not what you were looking for at all. Wow, man. Maybe we'll go to the daily, give you something else, but just the kind of pattern. Dude, it's like, let's see if we can establish something. Rocky Mountain High. I'm scaling to see if I can get any kind of view. Let's see, low, lower low. Oh, the higher low. So you had some bullish divergence here. You rode the upside. Who cares? You're using on the daily like the 250 and 20 MAs, daily moving averages, simple moving averages as resistance points. Just damn, like, what do you want me to do with this crap? All right. I mean, best I could do probably is just anchor point 1 and 2. All right, and then probably 3, yeah, I guess. And that doesn't really help. Maybe equidistant channel could help. Okay, because it looks like we might have some support there that we're not seeing. Yeah, man. The thing is, that doesn't even really help us either, dude. It's just like, John, man, there's just not, Mr. Gunn, there's just not much, no pattern, no new patterns developing. It looks like there's some sort of support right here at, what, 76% of 1 cent, right? Isn't that, yeah, that's what that is, okay? And I don't know, I feel like you've got some resistance here. Dude, this is a definite penny stock, right? The way it's price action, looks like it lacks a lot of liquidity. That's great, man. So you might be range bound between 76% of a cent and 1.39% of a cent. Okay, dude, there's just not really that much here. Okay, you had that triangle and you false broke out and you sold off. Okay, man, just kind of all over the place. Okay, so it's a higher low than your previous low. I mean, is it a double bottom? I don't know. Better break 1.13 cents. Okay, to see if we could. The measure move would put you probably at the top. Wherever there's some overhead resistance, all right, and you got more up here. But look, man, some take is I think you got anchor point 1 up here, 2 up here, 3 and 4 down here, and really not much support or not much respect at all. I just know that you might have some sort of bump and run if you can break above 1.19 cents. That's it. Good luck, dude. Good luck on this. There's way better stuff out there technically. Okay, hey, that's cool though, man. If you believe in the product and the investment, you know, if you actually believe in their growth and what they're going to do, hey, man, maybe this thing will break the upside. But that's not really been the case, has it, historically with Rocky Mountain High? Like, not even close, man. Right? Just you had some huge pumps, but every time you pumped, you've always dumped. Okay, so whatever, man. I know you might be looking for that pump, okay? Anyway, this is where we've been holding support right here at 76% of a cent, right? Holding that pretty strong and bouncing, okay? We're back to those levels again. Okay, man, set up your alert for like 1.2 cents or something, okay? Let's see if you could do something about it, all right? Cool, dude. That's it. Not much. Not too much, dude, going on. So it's retracing, it's bled out, pumped, and it's bled out and probably retraced 78% of the way. Okay, whatever. Great. Anyway, let's get through some chat real quick, man. Sorry, I've been just looking at all these coins and penny stocks and stuff. All right, hold on. Oh yeah, US dollar's going up, man. Excellent, dude. Excellent. Well, not really. So, just depends, dude. Oh man, jeez, I'm behind on chat. Dude, I'm so behind on chat. Thanks so much for the 162 people tuned in between Twitch and YouTube. Just coming in, man. I've been live for like 40 minutes now, and just wanted to go over the markets and stuff, just hang out with y'all, to wish you a happy new year. You know, really the grand show was last night, and tonight we're just kind of drinking coffee, just trying to recover and do some requests. Okay. William Battles, I do not know about that, man. Okay, hey, William, you're the one that asked me about the Ohio State-Washington game, man. Dude, how about it? How about it? Apple P. Miller, man. Yeah, put Apple on the list. Sure, dude. Apple's there. What's up, Joey V? It's going well, dude. Going well. How are you doing, Joey V? On this first day of 2019. Happy to spend it with y'all. What happened to 100K Bitcoin, Mickey? Bang, bang. Dude, I don't know. Those people are the reason why I started streaming, though. I'll tell you that. Certainly. Those people, reckless. Okay. When you have a camera and a microphone, you've got some sort of influence. Someone might listen to you. So that means you are an influencer. So, dude, you better not be pumping out stupid 100,000 Bitcoin videos. Because those people literally triggered me enough to make me start streaming. So, hey, I appreciate them for motivating me to start streaming. Okay. What's about Star Seed JD? How about the Litecoin bounce or flat? Sorry, didn't say that. Been gone a while. What's been going on with Princess? She moved yet? How's your Christmas? That's funny. Christmas was awesome, Star Seed. New Year's, I think, was even better. Or right around in between that, just between the 25th and today has been magical. It's been an extremely good time. Okay, got to go to Los Angeles and hang out with some Jesus peoples. Okay, Michael Connie and Probst or Jeff Grau and Seth, right, and Blank and Bradford. Okay, and Logan. Right, it was good times. And hopefully next time I make a trip like that, we'll have even more people to hang out with, okay? SEC complete domination, except Brent, the Sugar Bowl, which is pretty much a loss at this point. It's over. It is freaking over, okay? What's up, Vegas Games? Danny Armada. Hey, Buns 420, man. Iowa, dude. And speaking of Iowa, Mississippi State, talking about SEC domination, they lost. They lost to Iowa today. So, hard-fought game. Whew. Oh my God, man. Oh my God, man. Anyway, what's up, Greg K? You're not going near any company that has billions in debt? Yeah, there you go, Vegas Games, man. Probably a good idea that a lot of people should follow, right? Not financial advice, of course, but you know, you get it. You get it, dude. Okay. Holy crap, dude. Time to scout the SQs in the AM. Rumlong, we'll see, man. How's the stock market, Eric? It actually had a decent little rally, kind of recently, but it's nothing. I guess we can look at that too. Okay, we can put just the SPX on there, or the VTI, whatever VTI. What's up with the music? I can't even hear anything. Dude, I can like barely hear that. Okay. Ridiculous. Okay, anyway. Whew. Good lord, dude. Okay. Let's just go to Apple, man. For P. Miller, man. P. Miller, I hope you had an awesome New Year, dude. Thanks for being part of this community for so long. Okay. Just been in this crazy downsloping channel for months now. Okay, like October 23rd up here. It's like all you can really do. Selling's been so extreme. Okay, so do we break out, man? I don't know. Did we? Yeah, kind of broke out a little bit. Okay, just that. Not a very good channel. Yeah, having issues. All right, so yeah, kind of broke out, dude. Hey, look, dude. Daily. Crazy bullish divergence. Inverted hammer, huh? Low on price. Low on price. Lower levels of negative momentum. Impending price action reversal. Here's your big green candle. But dude, you're death cross on Apple. December 20th. You're below all three simple moving averages. Come on, dude. That's bearish. That's not good. Okay, your MAs give you kind of the guidance of where the trend is taking us, okay? Until we break below the 20 and the 50, I'm sorry, man, we are still in a bearish trend until that changes, until we get back above. Look, man, Look, during the whole rally, man. The whole rally. Dude, it's just like above the 20 and the 50. Between the 20 and 50, right? You break down to 50, you bust the upside. You fall below the 20 and 50, you hit the 200, right? 200 was it. But from there, we bounced off the 200-day moving average and ran up 20, 50, 20, gapped up 20, 50, 20, 50, fell below it briefly. Never fell below the 200, way above our 200 moving average, right? That's the big thing to keep in mind, right? So we finally bounced. Okay, broke above the 20 and 50, fell below it, higher low, ran up. Come on, over and over and over, 20, 50. Craziness though started in February, and that's what's scary, man. Okay, we actually fell below the 200 MA the first time in years, but motion set in, and we just huge break the upside. Okay, one more rally. Rising wedge, broke out of the rising wedge, and then hit target, hit that measured move of the pattern, and then the bearish divergence was everywhere, and then we broke down, and it's been just free falling pretty much since October, just like mostly everything else on the market. Okay, but from a February, at the beginning, no, this is a May of 2016. Okay, from May of 2016 all the way to October 2018. Very close to a 62% retrace. Never quite got there, did we? Never got there. I don't know, man. Like, what did we hit? Nothing. We kind of like fell below some critical support, but right around there's where we reversed. But again, dude, got a long way to go. Okay. We don't even know if this is the swing low yet. We really don't know, man. Okay. The major swing low, no idea. But this was good. Maybe at some point we might solve again. Next time we solve, we might end up getting bullish divergence on the RSI as well. Maybe get some triple MACD bullish divergence. Okay, so I'm not sure if it's over. I'm not sure if the selling's done or not. Okay, so just a little bit of impending price action reversal. I think this might have been it. Okay, and dude, yeah, look, you can run at 165, and nothing would be an issue. There'd be no issue. It wouldn't be weird. It wouldn't reverse our trend. You know, people would be like, "Oh my God, are we bullish now?" At 160. 165, no, not even close. Dude, we could run up to like 180 something, 185, 186, and we'd still not be doing well. Okay, but that means that we would, at that point, if we were up there, we would have made that major swing low, and then we would just go from a major high to major low and to see our retrace. Okay, so we're not really sure yet if this is it. That's why we haven't fibbed yet. Well, I mean, we can to show you. If we're trying to, we're being like, okay, man, we just are psychics and we know this is the major swing low. We go from candle close, all-time loss to this candle close low. We have not even a 23% retrace. Do you understand that? That means we have no idea if this is it or not. Normally, you don't even know you have a major swing low until you hit the 23% retrace at 167.03. That's $10 off, man. Okay, so best of luck. All I can tell you is you broke this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. You finally broke that, but on nothing. Grab it. Hey, give me a sound check. Is my mic okay? I have my mic in a different spot. I've got a new camera, if you can't tell. It's like wide angled. I'm coming in much clearer now, like 1080 and stuff. I know no one wants to see me, you know, HD, because, you know, ugh, gross, but too bad. That's it, man. I wish there were better things to say about this market and everything, but it just doesn't look good right now. Okay, and as people were talking about, Mike was talking about Remlog HG and all, y'all were talking about Dow's futures down 246 points right now when it was up. I mean, is it any wonder? We don't know if this is or bottomed yet. Okay, it'll come at some point. So Eric Whitehead, that was kind of, well, spider. We'll look at it. This apple for Puma. Ohio State did not cover the spread. Yes, they did not. But guess what, man? Teased. They did. And you know what I do all the time, John. I don't really like straight up bets. I like teasing. Teasing's, I've been successful for years teasing. Okay, it's just my thing. I feel like taking 6 points, I'm able to do stuff with it. Okay. Last night was epic, Coach K, dude. Drink Troll came in here and wrecked our faces. All right. It was the fanboys that led you here. Arizona Luke, you got sick of the baseless cheerleading for preferred coin. Yeah, dude. We do based cheerleading for technical analysis. So we, in a way, do that. We kind of cheerlead because we love seeing it play out time and time again, right? Holy crap. I'm still thinking about a trip in February. Let you know, you'll book a ticket. Alright, Rimlog, yeah, man. Gotta think about it. I just gotta figure out how this month goes. Okay. Fortunately, February, you know, there's not much going on. So, like, the reason we didn't stay very long this time is, dude, staying in Los Angeles or near West LA and stuff, the price would have, like, tripled. Like, legit tripled. Trying to stay. Man, I'm talking, like, over $4,000 for lodging. And for, like, really what? Okay, it just a racket, and so I'll be able to go back to Cali without everyone else trying to go to Cali. All right, so demand won't be as high for lodging, so it'll be good. All right. Oil futures are dumping hard. 42 incoming, Danny man. Oh god, right? Bear trend, definitely bear trend for oil. Good god, that was a bearish breakout I had a little while ago. You slept through the game, the Iowa game, dude. Well, hey man, they pulled it out for you. For you and Melissa, okay? The Iowa Jesus peoples, okay? Hey, Billy Langford, man, what's up, dude? What's up, dude? Party season in full swing, Crypto Kiwi, dude? I guess. I like summertime for party season, but I know you're on the southern hemisphere, so it is party time for you, Crypto Kiwi. You know, the funny thing is, Virgus Games talk about you need companies in 2019 that have plans to survive. Any company that expects to make even more, that's bad investment. Well, it also really, even the companies in markets that have reversed, major markets that have completely reversed, and it's time for correction or bear market for 18 months, guess what? Even good money-making companies are going to have significant losses. And they, hey, maybe it's not 50%, but it's probably going to be 25 to 30%. Okay, like Johnson & Johnson, P&G, whatever, you know, Amazon, Google, those companies make a lot of money. Nvidia, oh my god. Lolly posted this to me. He said that there's a lawsuit that is now a class action lawsuit been filed against Nvidia, with the plaintiffs accusing the company of making misleading statements about how it can help mitigate the effects of the reduced demand. Blah blah blah, right? Crypto mining, right? So yeah, man. I'm just saying, like, these companies make billions and billions, and on the charts, they'll still lose stupid amounts of value, okay? So be mindful of that. Have a good job. Cash is king. Learn, hey, trading, short-term trading is another way, okay? When you can ride the trends, man, make a lot of money. But being able to signify the reversal of an overall trend is very important, okay? Because most people don't know how to do that, and that's why most people get wrecked, okay? Game is Monday. Yes, it is. It surely is. Auto Crypto Mango. I've interchangeably done XRP to BTC and XRP to USD, and I get you literally asking that question. I get 20 other people ask me over the course of the year. 20 other people ask me, why not do XRP to BTC? Why not you do XRP to US dollar? Do this. Why don't you do this pair? Why don't you go to this exchange and do this chart on this coin at this time of the stream? Right? It's hard. That's what she said. Auto Crypto Man. It's difficult because I can't please everyone. All right, I'm sorry. That's it. Precedence. Sounds good. Mike's good. Awesome. Yeah, add Georgia to that list, Arizona Luke, man. I don't know why you would say that Oklahoma Notre Dame did not show. Okay. Wow, their coach, Coach Sherman is 10-1 versus spread as an underdog. Wow. Oh no, I didn't call that, dude. Someone else did, I think. So. Beard good. These room love, man. Yeah, OU covered. Not for teases though. Yeah, Texas does look very good this game. They look very good. The Drink Troll is BA. Yes, he is. Is VeChain doing things? No, I don't think so, man. We looked at it yesterday. It's not. Holy crap. Well, yeah, I mean, any kind of lodging is going to be inexpensive now, right? Since New Year's is, like, pretty much over. If I was, like, trying to book for, like, the 5th or 6th, dude, it'd probably be low rates. Real low rates. Don't tease you with a good time, Starseed. Hey, whatever. It's all good. Can I at least show Bitcoin if Bitcoin is in the title? Hey, Fogmoto, man. Yeah, start the show looking at Bitcoin, right? So you can rewind and check out the analysis of Bitcoin. Okay? We look at the beginning of the show, and we also do it at the top of the hour, which is, you know, something we call the local on the 8s, which is like about to hit the button in like 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Okay. But we do coin requests, stock requests, currency requests. Okay, so after we get done analyzing Bitcoin, I don't just sit here and do nothing, right? I'll go look at things people request, all right? Which is one of the Apple P. Miller, a viewer, requested this. Okay. Okay, it is time. Is it 9? No, it's actually not. Okay, here we are again at Bitcoin. All right, just to reiterate what we talked about earlier in the stream, just a diamond bottom pattern, okay, which could go either way. You know, why? Because it's an inherently neutral pattern, right? But the thing is, the impulse was down. Impulse down. Normally, you would consider this possibly a continuation. It has a hint of bearishness to it with the impulse. So, but hey, man, we can't make assumptions because you know what happens. Makes an ASS out of you and me with, you know, being a neutral pattern and all. But measured move, we break the upside, could put you up at 42.11, which would make a double top, right? We'd get all the way up from, you know, that Santa rally we had, could run all the way up to there. If we broke out bearishly after making the adjustment, we could break down to 32.92, around 3,300. So waiting for that, we got about, what are we, like 82% of the way through the development of maturation of this pattern, right? So that's it, man. We had bullish convergence, right? The low on price, the higher low on price, the lower levels of negative momentum, sending the RSI higher levels, relative strength, okay, with higher price, higher lows, okay, so that's it, man. You have price contraction into price divergence into price contraction again, and that's what gives us the diamond, okay? It is the warring of buyers and sellers, you know, and at some point you will break this pattern and make the larger move, okay? That's typically what happens, okay? So that's it, man. That's Bitcoin analysis, man. Let's see what happens next. What great, man. Thanks, Greg H, man. Appreciate it, dude. What's up, 5 nights at Taco Bell's? That sounds terrible, dude. The 5-night Taco Bell challenge. Ugh. Would you sleep over? Like, would you sleep over at the Taco Bell and, you know, what do you do 5 nights? And do you leave and come back every night to stay to lodge there at Taco Bell? I don't even know, man. Your name is very. Your name makes me ask more questions. All right. So. All right, here's on Luke. Have a good one, dude. God bless, man. God bless. Greg H says he's learned more from me than he's learned in the past 20 years from anybody. He thinks I'm doing an outstanding job. Thanks, Greg H, man. Don't ever walk out on the ones who need me the most. Oh, sure, dude. Yeah, I mean, I've done this. Yeah, man. No doubt, dude. Okay. Keep showing up, but y'all keep showing up, okay? I think that's fair, dude. That's fair, man. All right. What a great way to start the year with that 4-hour pattern. Yeah, man. Upside, downside. Let's see what happens, dude. This is currently, I believe, what's going on. All right, currently what's happening. Over a week now, we've been developing this diamond. And really what happened, a little zoomed out, telling the story of Bitcoin. You know, as we know, the destruction that ensued when we broke that upsloping accumulation line that stemmed back from June 28th, right? We snapped it. When we snapped it, man, first leg down. All right, no demand, could not find any highs, and then sold off again. Leg 1, leg 2. But then something happened, right? Where we finally found a bottom, had a double bottom, right? 1 and 2. It was an Adam and Eve, really. Broke to the upside, did not hit the measure move quite yet. Almost hit a 382 from that November 7th swing high up there. Just didn't quite make it, man, because that was our target. Either way, though, we topped out, making a lower high than our previous high, and broke down. Huge impulse down, which was X to A. All right, then we again, right, retraced 38% of the way perfectly, and sold off, made a lower low. Okay, and so from there, we established from B to C. From C to D was the huge run up, and then we retraced about 80% of the way from our high on X to C's low. And then the bearish divergence set in with the higher high with lower levels of volume, lower levels of positive momentum, lower levels of relative strength. Okay, and then that's when we dumped, and we had this nice upsloping channel, and then it all fell out right around Christmas. Yeah, like the 24th, Christmas Eve is when we sold off. Okay, so since then we've just been forming this diamond pattern. All right, still outside, man. We've tested twice. No, 3 times we tested this down sloping trend line that was once a resistance. It has now become a very strong support, man. Wow. Okay, just can't break it. Seriously, that's great. All right, man. So either way, neutral pattern after an impulse down. We'll see which way we can go. At least we have targets either way. Okay, that's about it. Fortnite's merchandising store is accepting Monero. Oh, I think Lovely sent me that. Yeah, I sent me that about an hour ago. Yeah, man, that's crazy, dude. Crazy. Okay, time to shoot open prize. Oh my god, and the dump. Right. But yeah, the problem is a lot of 12-year-olds don't hold Monero. Loopation, that's probably the best point ever. Okay, yes, I agree. But hey, maybe Monero is the forefather of adoption of kids, right? You know, trying to get kids in on crypto. Hey, that's cool, man. Monero, yeah, dude, yeah. Right? I don't know. Hearts and minds, dude. Hearts and minds. No, it's all good, Christopher, man. Well, TA is pretty OG. Technical analysis is pretty universal. There are definitely different market dynamics to abide by. So crypto, not regulated. Okay, no intrinsic value. Okay, most of these things are not trying to be money. Okay, they're not backed with guns and nukes like a lot of other currencies, right? US dollar, Japanese yen, right? So, I mean, Forex and stocks. I got started in stocks. Okay. I've been learning more and more about Forex from Larley, and really with crypto, man. Bitcoin, it follows the TA pretty freaking well, man. Like a lot. It does, like, it respects it. The divergence on the daily time scales, 4-hour time scales, it does it really well. But a lot of S coins, man, I mean, they do from time to time, but you're trading very low liquid coins. All right, that they're Telegram pump and dump groups. All right, so stable. I don't know, man. You don't really want stable in trading, right? You want volatility, which is what drew me and many other traders into this market, the volatility. But so less stable is better, right? More predictable, though. I mean, dude, again, everything has a chance of failing, okay? Walking into a trade, you have to have the understanding that there's a chance that it could fail, all right? So you just take your low risk, high reward opportunities. US dollar pair is probably the best idea, just because, look, man, if you are trading to a BTC pair and Bitcoin starts dumping, and then that pair starts dumping, right? You're gonna get stopped out into Bitcoin, which is dumping and will continue selling off, right? So you can't really sleep well in that regard. So we might have to wait for the next generation to get interested in crypto. Mr. Spinnerman, maybe did. Okay. So, hey, what do you call a cow with 2 legs? Christopher, what, dude? Lean beef. Yeah, I guess so, man. Lean beef, dude. Oh yeah, yeah. The Bitcoin Mini, dude. I saw that blink, man. Shout out to 4,400. 4,400, dude. Yeah, thanks, BitMEX, man. Right? Not insane, not stupid or anything. Sure thing, OG, dude. Thanks for tuning in. Okay. Oh my God, one-man army. That is terrible, dude. A one-legged Japanese girl is called Irene. Irene, you should call up Lululemon CEO. He would get a kick out of that one. Okay, no doubt. So no. We're just go back to XRP again. Reiterate that because look, only it's kind of right. Whatever. Again, just really, again, looks like you have just a downsloping potential inverse head and shoulders. That's all I see. And we talked about its potential because if this thing wants to bottom out and run, it very well could. And the overhead resistance, I think a very important resistance is 39.8 cents. If you can break that, man, you could have a nice run all the way up to 44.2 cents, right back up to the 62% retrace. And you remember, this is a beautiful trade setup. We had hitting our targets and then some. Okay, went to that golden retrace on some news. Okay, about Binance alt pairs. What was that? New Year's? No, sorry, Christmas Eve. Nice run, but then that was it, dude. Sold off. And when it got as high as 46.8 cents, and now it's currently sitting at 37.3 cents. Right, so crazy swings on this. Okay, anyway. Yeah, one-man army. That was wreckage, dude. And people are still shooting fireworks all outside. Insane. Okay, Ethereum, and then let's move on to ETH. I'll probably wrap it up early tonight for sure. All right. Thank you for being here again on New Year's. Okay. With it being a work day, everyone's got to get up early tomorrow. So have you spending it with me. Sweet. All right, man. So Ethereum had that downsloping channel just like Bitcoin did. It broke out and it's continued running, right? It did not run to the upside and then sell off and it's done nothing. Bitcoin's still the equivalent's down here, still bouncing off this area still, whereas Ethereum's continued up sloping pretty well. Gotta like that. All right. Nice respect in the equidistant channel, and again, the big resistance we talk about is 140.82. And it's kind of been, if you're looking at 60-minute, 30-minute, 15-minute, you just got that nice little range-bound price action between 128.73 and 140.82. Okay, that's really about it. All right, so I got an alert set up in case we break that. Okay. What did CoinDesk? They got a goofy anime aesthetic deal. That's weird, dude. That's weird. Okay. Okay, well, let's go to the VTI real quick. The total stock market ETF, Vanguard. All right. Okay, nice little retrace. Look at the daily. A nice little retrace, little V. Kind of get that V going on, right? Excuse everything that's going on right now, but this is kind of I'm posting stuff on the monthly time scales. Like if I go to the monthly. Okay, man. A new month will begin tomorrow, I believe, right? It'll open tomorrow. But hey, 2 out of 3 months, from October to December, 2 bearish engulfing candles. We have not seen that in the history of 10 years, right? This 10-year history of this bull rally. Sorry, man. We got as low. We almost, I think it was a. What the heck? Hold on. Oh yeah, it was a 75% move. Like we got within 25% of the way of selling off on dollars, right? This close to the global financial crisis. We almost matched it, right? 3/4 of the way to matching those that price action, which is crazy, man. Okay, since then we've retraced, right? Big bounce, so we'll probably cut that back now, but I'm sure the selling is going to continue. Big rally. What did we do? 50-month moving average. We touched it and bounced, dude. 50-month moving average. That's what we touched, man. Okay. I think, man, you don't want to fall below the 50-month moving average. Okay. Really, the last time you fell below it and held below it was here. Global financial crisis. Big deal, dude. Look, sold off for many months. Eventually, bearishly engulfed in September of 2008, and then big moves down, continued selling off for more months till March 2nd is when we found our bottom, and then the rally began. Okay, so all right, man. Look at the volume that's set in. We have not seen volume like this. Wow, we haven't seen this much volume on the monthly since, how about that, the global financial crisis. That's a nice little stat for you. Holy crap, dude. All right, so but still within the parameters of this upsloping little channel, right? So we have not fallen out of the channel yet. We bounced off the 50-month moving average. Okay, so bearish engulfed, so that means probably lower prices for the next month or two or few months. Okay, but look, man, monthly bearish divergence with the bearish engulfing candle. Well, sorry, the VTI didn't have the bearish engulfing candle, but Dow Jones and S&P 500, they did. All right, this was almost a bearish engulfing candle. I mean, dude, whatever, a doji into a huge red candle, doing candlestick math, well, that would give you a bearish engulfing candle. So whatever, doesn't matter. Whew. All right. Yeah. So remember, y'all, just if you appreciate what I do, what our team does, if you like me coming back every day, you know, doing coin requests, market updates, whatever market it is. And again, it's all about you want to see me come back. Head on over to our Patreon, right here, patreon.com/LordRay. It's the first of the month, or second of the month now, and this is the best time to get in because you have all month to take a look at the education and the trade setups that we do. All right, so check it out. Thanks. Yeah, it could take a while. Yeah, Burgers Games. So just a nice little retrace has begun, but we just don't know. Like if we go back, right, to the daily now. Let me get rid of this real quick. Okay. So that is the retrace, man. If it is the retrace. I mean, we could look at it like, hey man, we see a major swing high here. We very well could say this is the swing high, swing low. We have a retrace. We're not 89 at 382 yet, not yet. 382 is at 128. Where's 128? 70, whatever. 50% retrace, 131.79. So common retrace. Okay, so huge impulse down, beginning to move up. All right, anywhere between the 382 and the 618, between 128.70 and 134.67, we will be watching for that retrace to the downside. Okay, the volume that came in, man, lots and lots of volume has been coming in. Jeez, dude, you see that? Again, haven't seen volume like this since the global financial crisis. I mean, this much volume. I mean, really, we saw it like on a couple days. This was 2016, 2015. Sorry, yeah. Yeah, man, it's like we really haven't seen volume like this since 2010. Okay, that's it, man. That's it. No patterns right now. No defined patterns. Just bearishness right now. That's it. Okay, man. Okay. All right, y'all. So been live for an hour 15 minutes. I'm just gonna get out of here early tonight. You know, being New Year's and all that. So I really appreciate the 142 people tuned in. It means everything. Support y'all give me day in, day out. It's just it's truly humbling. And the only way I can show my appreciation and gratitude is just to keep showing up every day for you, to continue giving the market updates. All right, looking at coin requests, stock requests, currency requests, whatever you need. So or want, right? So. Thanks for the contributions tonight. No new subs, 0 new subs. That's kind of a part and parcel of it, I guess. So I'll be back tomorrow. Thanks again, y'all. So until next time, respect the T. Hey.